Now we shall solve problems from the practice set 14.1, how to find amount and compound interest. Who will come and tell me what all things are given in the textbook? Come on, Abhishek, come. We shall start with Abhishek. He told the answers previously and now once again he is going to repeat. And this side also I want both boys and girls to get involved in that. Come on, tell me, what is the principle?
Rupees 2000.
Look here and tell, what is the principle?
Rupees 2000.
So the principle is rupees 2000. P is equal to rupees 2000. Come on, tell me, what is the period?
Duration is 2 years.
2 years. Okay, duration is 2 years. And what is the rate of interest?
5 PCPA.
5 PCPA. Can you tell the formula for amount?
Yes, sir.
Come on, look there. Don't look in the textbook. Tell the formula for amount. A is equal to?
A is equal to principal
P in the bracket.
1
1 plus
R upon 100
R upon 100
raised to N.
raised to N. So this is the formula for amount. Okay. Now we will substitute the values. Who will come to substitute the values? You can go and sit on a place. Come. Now this is one more boy who is going to come and tell me what is the principal.
Rupees 2000.
So I wrote here rupees 2000. 1 plus, what is rate of interest?
5.
5 upon 100. What is N equals to?
2.
2 is equal to 2000 in the bracket. We will cross multiply 100 or we can simplify also. 1 plus 5 1s are 5 and 5 20s are raised to 2. We have simplified that. That is equal to 2000 in the bracket 21 the 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 20 raised to 2. That is equal to 2000. How many times should I write 21 upon 2? How many times? How many times?
2 times.
Why 2 times? Because you can see there is a square. So 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. Okay, fine. Now what will happen? This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. Okay? What is 2 to the?
4.
4. 4 1 the 4. 4 how many the 20?
5.
Yes, 4 5 the. So what is left behind is 5 into 21 into 21. Everyone knows the square of 21. 21 into 21 is 441 and 441 into 5. 5 1 the 5, 5 4 the 20, 5 4 the 20, 21, 22. So the answer will be 2205. So this will be the answer. 2205. So please pay attention. Therefore, amount is equal to rupees 2205. Now we will calculate interest. Go and sit on a place. Come on. How much extra amount did he get? Who will tell? 2000 were deposited in the bank. Simple question. Yes, come on, come in front. Dekho, I am very happy that my students are able to tell the answers. It is not that our students cannot tell the answers. They can tell. Come on, how much extra that person got?
205.
Come and tell it in front of Mike.
205 rupees.
Yes. How much amount was deposited by that person?
2000.
2000. How much amount did he receive?
2205.
2205. And extra how much he got?
205.
205. So my dear, that is how logical thinking goes on and we have to calculate the things. Please go and sit there. So, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. That is equal to 2250 minus 2000 and that is equal to 205. Therefore, compound interest is equal to rupees 205. So that is how you are going to get the answer. Compound interest is rupees 205. Okay? So everyone will copy this.